Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Vue JS for multiple page route create in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, this is my Gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this check this first part after this second part, otherwise lost of doubt your mind. And this is my server already on localhost PSP. My admin inside this is a database name, inside this is this all table, this is a 9 table is available, and this my project is available gem folder inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open, this my sublime text editor. Let's this project directory inside cmd and this run PSP artisan. Otherwise, first of all, this is a route command is a implementation. This is a route command. npm install vue route, same name is a copy, and inside this is a paste here. So this command is a installation. npm install vue route, successfully route is a package is a installation. Next is this directory inside PSP artisan server and enter. This is a working fine. Please wait, this is a command is a working fine. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully Laravel 11 is a working. This is a working fine, but this is a module is a implementation. Let's step by step. This is a command. This command open this directory inside this PSP. This cmd open this directory inside. This is a npm run dev. npm run dev, successfully working fine. This is a working good. Let this URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully this is a working fine. Vue this is a working fine. Let's refresh this page, and this is a route is a good working. Please wait. This is a project is a working good. That's good, working fine. This is a error solved. This is a command is a first of all, this is to cmd open, this is a PSP artisan server, and this is a Vue JS to cmd open, and this minimize. Let's step by step implementation. Multiple route inside this is always available single route, and this is a welcome file is available, and this is a welcome. This is a view inside this is available welcome file. Less font is a small. This is a font is a small. Good working. This name is a sense. This name is a app file. app.blade PSP. This is a name is a sense. Welcome is a remove app.blade PSP, and this is a not use. Let's remove this not use, and this is a extra is a all remove. This is a not use. Otherwise this is a only comment. This is a comment. Otherwise remove. This is a remove save file, and this is a all command. Inside this is a implementation app.blade PSP file, and this is the same name is a control Z, and this is as it is a working good. This is a working good app.blade PSP. This is a save file, and this route inside this is a recommend, and this not use command. Inside this is a new route is a create. A route is a web.psp. This is the same name is a please write down. This is a write down, and this is a successfully route is a create, and this is a all successfully set. This is a app view app. This is a welcome is a remove name, and this is a app name is a set. All good, and this is a app name is a available. Let's resource in this JS inside this app.js open. This is a bootstrap is a not use this command, and this is a not use. Let's this remove not use this, and this is extra is a all remove not use this all remove. Save file. Inside this file is a include. This is a app successfully set. Let's step by step. app.js open. Inside this is a include. This is a app view JS. This file is a write down. Let's same name is a copy, and inside this is a new file is a create. File name is a successfully create. This is a Vue JS is a file is a create. Inside this is a include. Next file is a create route file. Let's to file is a create route file. This is a from, this is an only view, and this same name is a copy, and this is a new folder is a create successfully. Folder is a created. Folder is a create. Inside this one file is a create index.js. This is a new file is a create index.js. Successfully create, and this is a file inside. This is a include. Otherwise, inside the same name index.js, same working fine, but this is a short name, not a long, only short name. Successfully set, and this is a app is a consider, and this is a app is a tag inside. This is a implementation app. Good working, and this is a route is a set. This is a route is a set. This is a good, all good. Please write down this file. Save file. This route is a implementation app is a implementation inside this. This is a inside this inside, and this is a file is open Vue.js app Vue.js inside. This is a sidebar menu is a create. Otherwise, lost of error is a available. Please write down. This is a tag is a sense blade HTML highlight is a HTML highlight and set file. Please run. This is a home, about and contact. A 3 route is a create. Let's save file and refresh this page. Inside this refresh this page successfully working fine, but this is a Vue.js file. In this route is a not available. First of all, this is a route is a create. This is a route inside. This is a index.js file, and this is a route is a step by step create. First is a view route is a create. This is a save file. Write down this save file, and this is a 3 file is a create. This is a 3 file is a create. Please write down. This is home, about and contact us, and this 3 file is a included. This include first of all 3 file is a include. Component folder is already available. This is a component, and this is a not a use. This file is a remove, not a use. This is a remove. This file is a not use. Inside this 3 file is a create. First file is a home file. Less home file is a create. Successfully create home file. Next file is a about view file. Less 3 file is a create about view file. Last file is a contact us view file. Successfully 3 file is a created, and this is a extend is a set. This is a all extend is a set. Good working. This component inside. First of all, this is a home control is open. Home file is open. Inside this is a home file is a set. Please write down. This is a highlight. Please write down. This is a home page. All good. This home page. Vue.js file inside. This is a menu is a home, about and contact us. All good. This is a home page is available. Same working. Let's here same is a contact us file is a implementation. This is a set, and this is a about. This is a about, and last is a contact file. All set. This is a contact file is a set, and this is a highlight. Blade is a highlight. Let's save file and refresh this page. This page is automatically refreshed, not a issue. And this is a why not issue, and this is a private browser open. This is a cache clear. Cache clear. Let's refresh this page, and this is a cache clear, and this is a window new open, and this paste here. This is a cache clear. Please wait. This is a cache clear is a available. Let's check this cache clear is a wait. This is a inside. This is a my problem. Please wait. This is a view light. Let's check this step by step. Component JS, this route JS file is a set. This good. History is a good JS file, and this is a JS file is a successfully all set mount app, and this is a Vue.js is a this is a Vue.js. Bootstrap.js is a not a use. Bootstrap.js is not a use, and this is a app file. And this is a not used. Let's remove, and this same name is a save file. Let's refresh this page. Why issue? Not a issue. So let's refresh this page. Let's refresh this page. Working fine, but issue is not available. And this is all successfully. Let's this remove, not use. this is a working good. Let's save file. Inside this check all successfully set. Let's refresh this page, and this is a cache clear. Let's inside this is already cache clear. Let's refresh this hard refresh, otherwise PSP artisan cache clear. Please wait, let's cache clear, and this is a not cache. Let's cache clear. This is a not issue, and this is a PSP artisan server available, and this PSP artisan server is a stop, and PSP artisan view clear and save. Refresh this page. Successfully creates PSP artisan server and enter. PSP artisan server and enter. Again refresh this page, and this is a cache clear. Please wait, this is a successfully cache clear, and this is a stop, and this is again PSP npm run dev. This is a cache clear is a working fine. Please wait, this is a run. Route cache clear. Please wait, this is a route cache clear. Again this open, and this is a private browser. Let's PSP artisan route cache. PSP artisan server, and refresh this page. Let's Google is a search. This is a video is stop, and this search. So optimization command is a last is a implement. Let's stop server, and PSP artisan optimizer clear and enter. Please wait, this is a enter successfully. This is a optimization. Let's run PSP artisan server and enter. Let's successfully cache clear. Let's refresh this page, and this is a why not a show. Let's expel element. Check this expel element, and this is a inside. This is a connecting is a working fine. Let's refresh this page. Again this private browser check. This is a connecting is a working fine. Inside this check this again refresh this page. Why is a not a show? This problem is a solution is 100% solved. This problem solution, this is a white problem is available inside. This is a name is a my missing. This name is a implement. This is a name is a app name. This is a remove, and this is a app name. Same name is a copy and paste here. This is a app name is a missing, otherwise 100% is a working fine. Let's successfully available. This is a good working. Let's step by step successfully all set. Let's this all close file. This is a close file. All this is a working fine. First of all, this is a route is a create. This is a route is a app route, and this is a app route. Inside this implementation view, inside this is a app-led PSP. This is as it is a working fine, not a sense as it is a working. This is a working good. Let's close this file. Inside this is available app Vue JS. This is a app Vue JS available. This is a HTML tag. This is a home, about, and contact us. This is a home, about, and contact us. This is available home, about, and contact us. Let's inside this is a 999 save file, and this is a available 999, and this is a 888 save file, and this is a 888 is available. Let's remove and save file, and this is automatically is a remove, and this is a about contact us in the home page is available. This is a URL. This URL is a any URL is a available. This home, about, and contact us, and this is a including. This is a page, and this is a route.com. This is available about, and this is the same name. Please write down. This is successfully all set. This is the only issue. Bootstrap as it is not a sense. This is a 3 pages available. This is about. this contact us, and this is a home page. Let's change. This is a different HTML tag is a change. This is my text editor is a problem. Successfully all set. This is a fine, and this is a all good. Please write down. Let this home is a click this home, and this is home page is available. This is home page. Let's click this about. This is about page. This is a about page, and this contact is this contact us page. Inside this route is a sense. Let's about successfully about home. This is a null contact about, and this is a home. This is a compulsory. This static 3 route is available, home, about, and this home, about inside this available. This is a about page. This about page. This click this. This is about page. Inside this name is a change. Hello. Save file, and successfully inside this is a good, and this contact page is inside this different is a contact page. This is a 999 save file, and this is a contact page. Contact about. This is about this contact, and this is last is a home page. All Control Z save file, Control Z save file, and this is a successfully all done. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. YouTube, we are to help to 24/7. WhatsApp, Telegram, I am always available. And this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all social media link. Please write down step by step. Only 3 command is available. This is only 2 command is available. First command is this command installation. This command. First command, second cmd open PSP artisan server. Third command is a npm run dev. This is the first command is install after PSP artisan server, and this is a working fine PSP artisan server. This is a good PSP artisan server, and this cmd inside this is a only include, and this is a run is a npm. This is a run npm run dev. This is the installation npm install route is done. This is all good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. npm done. Thank you.